Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to give you another list of stocks which are ready for swing and right time to accumulate. And if these are the stocks, I'll highlight while explaining the stocks, I'll let you know which ones are I'm considering for the long term and which ones are for swings. And again, what are the stocks I'm going to discuss is purely educational purpose. It's not about any recommendation or anything because I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. If you want to invest, please seek help from the SEBI registered advisor. Now let's get into this. Let's get into the video. And this is Sundar, and you are watching Mindful Finance. Okay, so the first stock we are going to discuss today, it is Maharashtra Seamless Limited. Okay, there are two things, Maharashtra Scooter, but it's called Maharashtra Seamless Limited. This stock is, if you see, I have already marked over here. It is in already in oversold region, and from the Fibonacci trend basis, it has already covered like 61%. So I feel like this is a starting of like first normally Iliad base wave basis. We will start with zero like A, B, C wave. So C wave normally goes to 100. Okay, and you can see already a good volume here. And again, to give you basics, I already made couple of videos on how to find the trend, how to find the trend reversal, what is divergence. Please, if you have not watched the video, go back and watch that video to understand how to find the reversals and how to draw the trend lines. So I don't go to basics again, but based on that, you can see this is getting a reversal at the 68 point. I see use the Fibonacci. You see exactly it is at 61% level. This is what the A B level normally happen, and it is reversing. Okay, and if you are going for a swing trade, just mark this level as a support and stop loss, and you can enter here. First, the potential you can seek is still here, which is almost 83%. Okay, and this is again, if you want to have this, go for at least 1 to 2 years time horizon. If you think it's going to happen next day, if you think it's going to happen the next day, I don't recommend that. At least think in a mind that the amount which you are going to use for this at least going to stay for 1 or 2 years. Think in that mindset. Otherwise, don't get into this kind of investment. Okay, because you may get panic and you'll get stressed out. See, there's a concept called loss aversion. Okay, what the concept of loss aversion is, what happens is there's a comparison. If you gain 100 rupees and if you lose 50 rupees, okay, the happiness which you gain by getting the 100 rupees is lesser than losing 50 rupees. You got it what I'm saying? The losing is 50 rupees only, but the pain which you'll face during that 50 rupees loss is more heavier than the happiness which you'll gain by getting 100 rupees. So this is concept is called loss aversion. So this is a general behavior mindset. So if you are into that kind of a mode, you are not a right person to take more risky bets. Okay, so you just have to be in a large cap or index based investments. Don't get into stocks. Okay, these stocks today which I'm going to discuss are maximum comes under mid cap and small cap. I'm not discussing large cap. The reason behind mid cap and large cap is there is a large potential to become a multi-baggers than the large cap. So that is why I have picked which are like good to hold for a long term, and it can be, there's a chance that it can become a multi-bag. It could be a 10x or 15x. Okay, so yeah, so if you see Maharashtra Seamless, you can see how much how good it has given a reversal sign here. This is a weekly one. If I go for a daily one, see already you can see a reversal. You can see the divergence found here. Okay, this is the divergence for the reversal sign. So which is already you have seen the divergence, and there is a good amount of volume happened. Okay, and this is, if I draw a trend line from here, right, it is exactly the resistance breakout. Okay, so you need some kind of a momentum for the breakout, and already it is it came above 60 and it is going down. So there's a chance, a good amount of chance that it will give an option for you to accumulate here, or it may go down. Okay, this may go again down. There's a multiple chance that you need to get two divergences. Okay, if you see here from here you see one, this is the second divergence. Okay, so it has already shown a second divergence. There is another chance that it may come further, okay, to test this one. Okay, that is also is possibility. It can come and touch this and then can reverse. There's a two chance here. So think about that, and you have this in your watch list, or you can do it. You can think in a SIP mode. This is Maharashtra Seamless. The second one one I'm going to talk about is Finolex. Finolex, not cables, Finolex Industries. Okay, I'll just show you the fundamentals also for Finolex. So let's check the fundamentals of the Finolex in a very crude way. So this is not actual macroeconomic perspective. This is just we are going to evaluate their finance statements and the ratios. You see, P is trading above, okay, within this one, okay, it's 8.4, 34 is the current PE, and if you see the median PE, it's almost like 18 or something, okay. PE wise, it is trading above that. That means already people are ready to pay more money for Finolex Industries, okay. Price wise, we can discuss. So PE wise, this one, and book value wise, if you see, this is trading 3.4 times of book value, and if you see the return on assets, 6.25%, it's good. It's not that bad, okay. This is good for now, and EPS growth is also somewhat good, and debt, we see debt to equity almost like it's a debt free, and it is having free cash flows, which is a very good one. It is having a very good free cash flows, and dividend payout also is very good, okay. And let's see the sales growth. You see sales went down and again it is picking up. It's volatile, okay, but we can see a pattern here. Here one dip, here one dip, here one dip. So during 2000, mid of 2009, this is 2015, this is 2023, there was a dip. So you can see a dip and it is going. So sales wise, it looks like a cyclic. The reason behind is these are very much related to infras, urban development. If there is a increase in rate of interest, so people may tend to avoid loans. So that time the growth of building constructions, building homes, all those things will be reduced, right? The cost also goes high. So that time you'll find this kind of a dip. And again, when the interest cut happens, it will rise. So that is how this kind of sectors work. It's a cyclic basically. It imitates our banking sectors basically. Okay. And so in that case, if you see the operating profit, you see it is increasing. Quarterly result, you can see it went down. It is increasing. The year-wise, we see operating profit is increasing. So last, you can see 2023, it went down. So earlier it was 2025, 990, 448, and again it is picking up. And if you see the margin, operating profit margin, last time it was 7% because there might be a lot of acquisition and other things happen. That is why the spending was more. So because of that, operating profit margin has affected. But in an average, if you see, it is like 15 to 20, and you see compounded profit growth, right? 5 years it's 2, 10 years it's 8. For now it is 112%, and stock price CAGR, if you see, 26%, right? The company wise profit is long term it is doing good, okay. Short term it is not that great, but if you see the stock price CAGR, it's good, and currently it is good. So there is a momentum is building up. So let's get into the technicals. If you see this one, let's first start with the weekly one. Okay, see this one. So this is the momentum, how it went from 2017. This is 2020. This is 2022. Okay, and this is 2024. So every 2 years there's a dip. Okay, and this is the dip recently happened, and it is again picking up. And if we see the trend lines and the Fibonacci retracement, see this is the trend line. Earlier it gave a breakout, and again it is testing the breakout. See it's trying to sustain. See there's a multiple things can happen. One, if I look at the swing low to high, okay, it has retraced only 50% here, okay, and even if I go from this swing low, it is only 38%. So there is a chance, okay, I don't know the high, assuming this is the maximum high it has attained. So if you see, this may come down till this level, which is a 100% level, 246 or 196. So it can come till here. I'm not sure. Okay. If it breaks out, it's a good. Well, and if it is a breakout, and what will happen is ultimately you will see a very good momentum, it will be a third wave, and you can expect till 429. Okay, which is a 38% from now. And after that, in the long term horizon, it may go till this level, which is 68%. Okay. So this is a Finolex Industries scenario. The third one is Astral. This is also a very good company. Okay, and if you see, it is following a channel pattern very nicely. It is following a channel pattern, and currently it is in an oversold area. You can see clearly it is oversold. Okay, and you can see a divergence here. It's a higher low, here lower low. Okay, you can see a divergence here, and it is a normal reversal sign. Okay, if I see higher high, right? See, if you see this high, their price action is higher high, but this is lower high. That's why it fell. So that is a bearish divergence. So it fell. Okay. So there is a chance it is testing the resistance here. Okay, the trend line resistance. If it breaks, then it will give you another 28.44%, and it's a good stock to hold for a long term multi-bagger scenario. Okay, this will, if you hold, it's a good for a multi-bagger one. And next one is Gokul Refoils. Gokul Refoils also, it's in a very long time consolidation. Okay, if you see long time consolidation and it gave a breakout, and you see this is the cup and handle pattern, almost like a cup and handle pattern. And if it gives a breakout, you get a good chance to reach 114% return from here. So it's almost double from here. Okay, so this is the Gokul, because currently if you see, even if I draw a trend line like this, so it has given a breakout here, very nice breakout here, right? It tested multiple times. This, so here it tested and here again back, right? Now it is testing this particular resistance. If it breaks out, it will be a good momentum. So Gokul Refoils in a good position. The next one is Emami Paper Mills. Okay, this also, if you see in the long term, it is in a consolidation phase. It touched the multiple times, it took the support and it is going back, and this is the resistance line. If it breaks, you will get a very good, and it's a triangle pattern. Okay, triangle patterns are always gives a very good momentum. Okay, when it breaks out, okay, it touched the resistance and it came down, and this is a good volume here, right? This is the good volume candle. This is the your support line, support candle. Okay, and if you enter, it will give you at least 45% for the current scenario. Okay, this is for Emami papers. The next one is TVS Electronics. TVS Electronics, see already it also making a cup and handle. Okay, if you see a cup and handle, always cup and handle are a powerful cup and handles are always a powerful breakout patterns. Okay, you see it is testing this support area, and if it breaks, almost you'll get a chance of 75% from this one. So TVS Electronics is in a good position, and if I go and watch in a daily view, you see it is almost in a overbought zone. Okay, so it may consolidate here. It has to consolidate. Okay, and it may consolidate, and it may retest the RSI 60 zone, and it may come up, and then if it has to get a good momentum. Okay, see all a good volume here. All these volumes are now slowed down. So this volume, whoever bought, okay, they will settle now, and slowly accumulation will happen, and then it will give a good breakout. So if you ask me, this is going to happen tomorrow or day after tomorrow, not sure. I'm recording this video on 31st of August, so I normally post in record 1 week ahead because I don't have time doing my office hours. Editing will take time, so I normally record earlier and try to edit in the weekdays and publish on the next week. So next week, I don't know like what will be the status of this one, but it has a good potential. Momentum is there. Okay, the trend is there. If you see, it is going in a higher high channel. The short term also, you can see a good breakout happened, right? So it is touching this trend line. So even if I from swing low to high, if I draw, okay, if it want to test the thing, what will happen is it may come till this level again, 453, 450 zone, or this level 434 around here. Okay, this level it may test, or there are chance that it may test the entire this green candle till here, like 400 level. It may come till 400 also. Okay, because it's already in a over bought zone. Okay, it may come and test this big candle because this is the breakout candle. So it may test half of this main candle. Okay, you can wait till here, put it in a watch list, and slowly you can check this one. So TVS Electronics is in good position. Then Rushil Decor, it's a very good company. It gave a bonus and all those things last year, and that is why it came down to this cheaper. It's a less price. It's not cheaper. It's in a less price zone. You see, so it is in a triangle pattern, right? It is testing this triangle again. Okay, and here also same pattern. Okay, you have to watch. These are things you need to keep it in a watch list and don't jump for this stock. Okay, you have to do a thorough research and find out how it is. So currently, it is struggling here. If it gives a breakout and it is if it's above the RSI 60, then it will give a good breakout. So that may go first this level, which is 32%, and then it has a good potential to go till 104%, which is almost double. Okay, so Rushil Decor is also a long-term bet. The next one is Eveready, because all the battery things are like flying, but Eveready recently started to show the momentum. If you see, the very long term was consolidating this like a cup and handle pattern. You can see how much it is consolidating, and it's a very good potential to break out and give you another 85% to 100% easily. Okay, and this is the zone it may test here because it's an over bought region. It may come down and test this one, and again it may reverse. And it is, if you draw the trend line, you can clearly see it is testing this trend line. Okay, this is the channel, so it may follow this channel also. Okay, it may come down till here or consolidate and touch here. Okay, and then it may go. It may take time. It is not going to happen in 1 or 2 days. You need a patience. Okay, if you don't have patience, don't focus for this kind of a stock. Then the last one is Hariom Pipe. What happened? Hariom Pipe Industries. So Hariom Pipe Industry, if you see, it was clearly in a very nice correction pattern. I love this correction pattern normally. Even in Nifty, it recently happened. This is the correction pattern. Okay, AE. Okay, and within that, you would have seen this ABC pattern clearly. This was the momentum. Okay, and there will be a correction here. Okay, if I draw Fibonacci, so it may correct again till 61 level, this level, 600 rupees. Okay, or it may come till 38%, which is 712 level. Okay, it may come down to this level and may return. But this is a good pattern because it may become a fifth wave. It may create this is the 1, 2, third wave, and you will get a fourth wave, and then there will be a fifth wave, which is just to give an idea. So this is 1, 2, this is 3. You need to have a fourth wave, and then you will have a fifth wave. Okay, so that you can expect. So this is in Hariom Pipe Industries. That's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share your thoughts about the stocks. Please do share it with your friends and colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe and press the notification icon. Thank you.